70. Where's 70? 70. Shit. Got my glasses. Algorithm. Dr. Deal, do you know where 1E70 is?
That's the Rumbaugh parking garage. Scott, do you have a pen I could borrow?
Where's the code?
Code? What code?
1E70, Rumbaugh parking garage.
Who told you there was a code in Rumbaugh parking garage?
Lou Deal.
Lou Deal, he's wrong. That's the emergency room.
Emergency room. It's not working! Nobody's answering! We'll have to try a different gate. Did somebody call a Redbird in here? 1E70. Did you call a Redbird?
Oh, well, no, not really. I told them to. Are you the senior?
Dr. Slusher, did you call a Redbird?
Well, I asked them out there to call the senior. Did you call a Redbird? Well, look, I'm sorry, Scott. It must have been confused because all I really wanted was to get this EKG overread by the senior.
It's a normal sinus rhythm.
That's what I thought. Thanks for coming down and all your help.